DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all guys. Don't kill this two. Nice.
Ay,
Kill
wait
na yan,
lang.
kill na yan, kill na yan.
Yung may
Then
mga
back again,
patalsik
then
na,
back again,
huwag
then
niyong
back again, then back
pinapatalsik
again.
kapag
Wala na
nakakrap.
tayo, back na tayo guys. Back na. Back muna. Firewall. Nag-engage na tayo, tapos na tayo mag-engage. Back muna. Tapos na tayo mag-engage. DPS ready. Okay, 5 seconds. 5 seconds guys. 5 seconds ha. 5 seconds. Okay, naubos ang team. Keep healing, Kim. Oh. Okay, ito. Hidden Judy. DPS ready. Northeast guys. DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all. Dami ka ulit. Kill them all. Nice guys. Kill them all. Nice. Then back guys. Back. Okay na. Back na muna. Okay, wala na akong mana. Walang mana. Back muna. Kahit muna. Okay, DPS ready. Northeast. Nice. Okay, follow. Northeast guys. DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all guys. Drop all. Follow up. Nice. Then back. Healing Judy guys. Papulay muna. Papulay lahat. Guys, pulay. Ano pre?
Need natin patayin yung naka-infinity blade kasi nag sa team eh.
Sige. Okay. Back muna guys. Northeast guys. Northeast. DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all guys. Drop all. Nice second clap. Nice pre. Nice. Okay. Keep rolling. Then back muna. Okay, nasa base na sila.
Okay,
Okay, back muna guys. Okay na yan. Back na muna tayo. Healing Judy guys. Papulite mo na ang lahat. Nasa base na sila. No mana color. Wait lang. Find the crown guys. DPS ready. Northeast guys. DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Nakaan sila. Drop all guys. Drop all. May naka-defensive. Okay, sige. Okay lang. Marami tayong may mga napatay tayo. Okay, then back. Back guys. Back na.
Palil lang Jody oh.
Pabak mo na guys. Back mo na. Okay, dito healing Judy. Kill na to tong isang to. Okay, back muna. Find the crown guys. Northeast guys. DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all guys. Drop all. Nice second clamp. Ganda. Galing guys. Okay, then back again. Papulay again. Papulay.
Kalat niyo yung mga
Papulay. Healing Judy guys.
Ilang
Ipahin na lang.
This back line.
Okay. Then find the crown. Find the crown. Okay, northeast guys. Northeast. DPS ready. Okay, Marley back on na. DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all. Hindi ako nakatalon. Okay, back muna.
Kasi
Back ang buong team. Here. Healing Judy. Dito sa akin. Find the crown then Healing Judy. Healing Judy.
Airbot and go out guys.
Healing Judy. DPS ready. Northeast guys. Northeast. DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all guys. Drop all. Kill them all. Nice. Okay, okay. Ang galing, galing team. Ang ganda ng team. Ang galing, galing, galing. Mahusay, mahusay, mahusay.
Nama,
Okay.
nama, bako na nama.
Heal the
Nama,
party.
bako.
Heal the party. Heal the party muna. Heal the party muna. Heal the party. Heal the party. Okay, sorry, sorry. No mana, no mana. Wait lang ha. Wait, wait, wait.
Defensive, defensive.
Defensive, 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 defensive.
Counter ako, counter ako.
Counter.
Ready.
Okay, defense ready. Defense ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all. Drop all guys. Drop all, drop all, drop all, drop all. Then back. Then back.
Naiwan yung backline,
Then back,
naiwan yung backline
then
na,
back, then back, then back, then back, then back, then back. Then back, then back, then back, then back. Okay. Heal on Judy. Heal on Judy guys. Heal on Judy. Pahil ang Judy, pahil si Judy. Heal on Judy. Okay. Sobrang dami na niya. Sobrang dami na niya.
Light color din ako eh.
Sobrang dami na niya. Sobrang dami.
Diba? Okay, nice, nice. Look.
Patay ka ng Astral.
Oh, ready. 6 seconds, 6 seconds.
Patay ako
6 seconds, ready. Ready, defense. Ready. Gonna counter. Ay, counter, ready.
Hindi ako gumalaw.
Oh, 1, defense on me now. Huge camp. Huge camp, huge camp. Very good, boys. Nice, nice, nice. Heal on Judy, heal on Judy. Heal on Judy, then back, heal on Judy, then back. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Kill this guy, kill this guy. Kill this guy, kill this guy. Yes, and double isa, do not random me guys ha. Okay, defensive, defensive. Okay, ready. 8 seconds, 6 seconds. 8 seconds, 8 seconds. Okay, ready, ready, ready. Look at the ground now. Look at the ground now. Follow. Pop your butts now in 3, 2, 1. Defense on me now. Drop all. Nice, very good boys. Back now. Wait on this stop. Wait on this show. Wait. Full heal. Full heal. I need heal. Heal party. Full heal the party. Okay, ready. 5 seconds. Okay, look now guys. Look. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ipasan nyo na. Kailan Judy? Then back. Nice. Ano, boss na. Meron pa?
May heal pa.
Walang firewall? Okay. Wait lang.
May heal pa.
Cool down. Okay, 3 seconds to counter. I'm looking guys ha. Okay, ready. Follow. Copy your bus now. Follow. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Defense on me now. Drop all. Nice, very good boys.
Puta, namatay yung Albion. Walang heal din.
Matay din sila.
Okay, ready. Full heal again. Bak lang, ganun lang ulit. Nanong yan, hindi nag-iisip.
Nag-crash yung aking Albion.
Okay, ready. 2 seconds. Someone kill that Astral. Okay, ready. Gonna-counter in 3. Follow. 3, 2, 1. Ibasan me now, drop all.
Gagi, napunit ako.
Gagi pa.
Okay, heal on Judy. Protect this, guys, protect this, choke. Protect this choke.
Ayun naman.
Okay, ready. Nam, second clamp please. Cool down ako. Tagal.
No mana.
No mana, okay. Okay, I'm looking
Okay,
guys ha. Follow. Okay, ready in 3, 2, 1. Dibasan me now. Drop all. Huge. Nice, very good. And then back again. Ano nyo, tatangan nyo ha. Okay, ready. 13 seconds again. Cool down. Full heal lang pag abang nagko-cool down. And then, ano ba pumupunta sa backline natin? Full heal ako ng low heal. Low life.
Heal on Judy
Meron dito sa
Okay,
backline
ready.
natin
Look now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Ipasan me now, drop all. Okay, negative. Full heal ako.
Pipili tayong rano sa mga ito.
Kill that Astral. Okay, look ha. 10 seconds. Ayun nag-clamp na si Nanrep. Nice.
Okay. Meron ka na, okay na pre?
Okay, na-clear na, clear na. Kill this death tank. Sino ba yan?
Okay, DPS ready? May DPS ready? Northeast, DPS ready? In 3, 2, 1. Drop all guys. Drop all, drop all, drop all, drop all, drop all, drop all. Drop all, drop all, drop all. Then back. Then back. Then back. Okay, night element on. Okay, kaya heal muna tip. Heal and Judy, heal and Judy, heal and Judy. Back muna, heal and Judy, heal and Judy. Naubusan talaga ng mana.
10 seconds, for 10 seconds.
Okay.
10 seconds, ready, ready. Do not run down me guys, no? Papulil ako. Okay, ready. Ready now. Look, northeast now. Okay, ready. Pop your boots now, ready. 3, 2, 1. Dipasan me now, drop all. Nice, very good. Uy. Naghingalo ako dun eh. Then back.
Nagbabackdoor rin na iPhone 4.
Backdoor. Okay, yan yun lang yun. Yung mga brawler, pa-brawl ako ng mga... Yung mga brawler, pa-brawl ako ng backline. Itong mga nandito, yung mga backline dito. Okay, looking sila. Nag-engage sila, oh. Pinipilit nila pumasok. Okay, ready. Look northeast now, ready. So, nakalamp na ako, ready. In 3, 2, 1. Defense now, drop all. Nice, very good. I need heal. I'm dying. Oh, what the fuck?
Heal and Judy.
Okay, full. Careful in that
Matay mo siya
astral, ah.
kasama din ah.
Okay, ready. Look now. Shallow lang ah. Dulo ng bridge. Okay, ready. Camping in 3, 2, 1. Defense now, drop all. Nice. Ganyan lang. Okay, then back. Full heal, then back. Very good. And then try to run over them. After this clamp, try to run over them guys ha. Full engage ha. Hoy, 5 seconds pa lang. Hoy. Back. Okay, ready. Look now. Pop your bus now. And 3, 2, 1. DPS me. On me. Nice, very good. Oh, run over na. Yung mga Judy, pakalat ako and then heal. Run over. Run over them on northeast.
Sinusubukan nilang pasukin tong OP5. Para pag namatay dito sila mag-spawn.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
Northeast.
ready. Okay, ready. Look at the crown. Wait lang. Sila. Okay, tara sa OP5. OP5 now. 3, 2, 1. This. Okay, then back. Go back quickly ha.
Ay, ipit to na naip si Earthron oh. Patay.
Okay, ganun lang. Uy, wag nang lalapas ng bridge.
Huwag niyo mabulin. Huwag kayo mabul.
Go back.
Akala ko dyan, di kayo digitang yan.
On this guy, please.
Bago kala niya
Okay,
ata kaya niya.
Cool down ako ha. I'm cool down na. First engage, nam. Cool down ako.
Okay, DPS ready. DPS in 3, 2, 1. Drop all.
Boom.
Okay, then back.
Nice,
Back. Back. Para madami natin ang clamping natin. Practice tayo. Back muna. Firewall na. Okay, DPS ready. Okay, DPS ready. In 3, 2, 1. Drop all. Clamp here. Kill them all. Okay, then nice. Galing. Okay, defensive, defensive,
Okay,
defensive,
be careful
defensive,
sa Electron, be
defensive,
careful sa Electron.
defensive, defensive, defensive. Okay then, back na muna. Makaklam kayo dyan lahat, back na muna.
Nag-camp na Electron nila, nag-camp na.
Paano muna, pre? Okay,
Ready counter. Ready counter.
Defense, counter, in 3, 2, 1, drop all. Huli sila. Then back.
Nice.
Back.
Be careful sa Electron, be careful sa Electron.
Back. Defensive.
Down ako.
Down din ako. Down.
Okay, back, wala nang caller, back na.
Down, dalawang caller.
Hold kaya natin to.
Okay, try to hold. Baka sa OP5 kami lumabas.
Random nyo lang inato. Drop nyo lang ng drop.
Counter. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Depends on me now, default. Nice. Sinong bobo ngayon? Ang ina nyo. Oh, full heal. Full heal, then back. Full heal, then back. Okay, hold lang. Huwag masyado malalim ha. Hold lang. Okay, nag-clamp. Ay, hindi pa. Wait. Hold lang. Okay. Ready. Pop your bots now. Ready. In 3, 2, 1. Depends on me now. Drop all. Nice. And then back.
Aha, akala mo, asad ka.
Judy. Heal Judy.
May
Full.
Andito ulit yung, Bloodgood. Andito ulit yung Bloodgood.
May
Hindi, yung nasa party ko, focus on front. Hayaan yung mga bomb squad sa likod, okay. Okay, look.
Hindi nila mapatay.
Okay, look. Look on northeast. Northeast now. Yo. Northeast now, ready. 3, 2, 1. Divest now on me. Triple. Nice. Okay, then back.
Electron.
Okay, defensive lang guys pag ganun. Okay. Back. Pull in then back.
Mana, pre, mana.
Okay, mana.
Nahuli ako.
Okay, ready.
Malaki naman na itong Judy.
2 seconds ha.
boy patipid.
Utang ano nyo. Ready. Electron na. Back.
Alam ko, ginawa yan. Nasa-ilid ko yan.
Electron. Okay, defensive. Counter. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Depends on me now. Drop all. Nice. Very good. Then back. Judy. Drop Judy. Kala nyo yung Judy dito sa bridge.
Madilim.
Kitang-kita yung down.
Wait. Hold lang. Full heal. Cool down ako. 5 seconds. 5 seconds ako ha. Wait. Hold lang. Madami. Okay, hold lang. Ready.
Bago may nabasagan ng item, may nagawa sa basa ito.
Ready. Pop your bots now. Ready in 3. Wait lang. May Okay, cancel ako.
Gagi, nabitaw ko yung Kiko.
Okay, no?
Kay
10
Messi,
seconds ako ha.
narinig ko nabasagan yung nag-OC eh.
Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, ready. Pop your bots now. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Diba sa me now? Drop all. Nice. Very good. Putang ina nyo.
Ubus sa astral.
Kill this guy. Nice. Dapat may jacket tayo dito eh. Para unli ano eh.
Anireeng.
Okay, ready. I'm looking guys ha. Okay, ready. Wait lang. Hold lang. Okay, hold. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Depends on me now. Drop all. Nice. Okay, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. I'm alive, I'm alive. Judy, any Judy, any Judy. Nothing Judy? Okay. Papulil, papulil. Okay, 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Okay, ready. Ready, counter, ready in 3, 2, 1. In this guy lang. In this 2 lang, in this 2. Ako bahala dito sa stage. Ay, nasakit na.
Kill yung Infinite Blade, yun yung sumisira sa ano,
Oo.
sa team.
Okay. Defensive ah. Okay, ready. Counter now, ready. 3, 2, 1. Defense on me now. Triple. Nice. Ay, iwan yung backline. Okay, sige.
Ay po. Yeah.
Kill nyo nga itong mga nasa loob na ng ano natin.
Kinuha nila yung backline, wala na.
Nasaan yung ano natin? Bomb squad natin.
Wala na rin yung brawler natin eh. Hindi ko na lang ikita eh.
Pag naubos tayo dito, GG na. Hehe. Pagod na ako. Okay, Polil. Oh, last engage. Last engage on front, northeast. Look. Okay, wait. Look, last
Wait
engage
lang,
on
wait
front.
lang muna yung mga patay. Sama kami sa last engage.
Ready. 3, 2, 1. Triple. Naging palaka pa ako. Putang in. Boom. Polil. Oh, kaya pa pala eh. Patayin nyo na yung astral na yan, oh. Okay, ingat ah. Defensive. Okay, 5 seconds to counter. 5 seconds to counter. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Depends on me now. Shallow lang. Nice, very good po. Ang ina, namatay pa yung mga yon. We're back. Pulil them back.
I did this. Where's your Giga? Where's your defensive?
Okay, ready. Follow. Pack your boots. Uy, huwag kayo lumayo. Go northeast. Follow. Ayun oh, Judy oh, may Judy. Heal. Okay, follow. Come northeast. Okay, ready. Look. Northeast now. Ready in 3, 2.
Ano yun?
Ang ina. 1, defense now.
Patay na.
Okay,
Wala na
patay.
Patay yung mga niyo.
Di pa.
Yung mga run over na to, pinipilit na nilang i-run over, tapusin.
Di pa yan. Okay, ready.
Dati nga na yung mga 8.4 eh.
2, 1. Defense on me now. Drop all.
Naubusan ako ng mana. Isit. Kamatagan.
Mapatay pa rin.
Okay, regroup on OP5. And then Arbak. Okay, we're done.
Putay na mo mag-gon ba ako?
Arbak na ako.
Okay, hindi namatay.
Sa mga namatay,
Good luck sa fix.
good job. Sa mga hindi namatay, good job din. Let's review that VOD.